Good morning. Welcome to e-learning class of mathematics. Today we will continue chapter 15 money. Last week we learned about conversion of money and addition and subtraction of money. Today we will discuss word problems of money. Now we will continue activity 3. Question 3rd. What should be added to rupees 97 and 50 paise to get rupees 150? To find the added number, we should subtract rupees 97 and 50 paise from rupees 150. Write rupees 150 in rupee column and rupees 97 in rupee column and 50 paise in paise column. Now subtract them. Since 0 is less than 50, we cannot subtract 50 from 0. So we borrow rupee 1 from rupees 150, leaving behind rupees 149. Now rupee 1 and 0 paise is equal to 100 plus 0 is equal to 100 paise. 100 paise minus 50 paise is equal to 50 paise. Write 50 under the paise column. Rupees 149 minus rupees 97 is equal to rupees 52. Write 52 under the rupee column. The required number is rupees 52 and 50 paise. Question 4. First, read the statement carefully. Raja bought a vanilla cake for rupees 350 and 50 paise and cookies for rupees 58 and 75 paise. How much money did he spend in all? Here we have to find total money he spent. It means that we have to add them. Now we write here cost of vanilla cake is rupees 350 and 50 paise. Cost of cookies is rupees 58 and 75 paise. Money spent in all. Here we have to add both the values. Means we add rupees 350 and 50 paise and rupees 58 and 75 paise. First of all, write units rupees and paise. Rupees will be added to rupees and paise will be added to paise. Now add them. After adding, we get rupees 409 and 25 paise. Answer is he spent rupees 409 and 25 paise in all. Question 6 and 7 are same as question 4. Now question 5. Mohini had rupees 400 with her. She spent rupees 125 on a CD and rupees 35 and 50 paise on an ice cream. How much money is left with her? By observing this question, first find the total money spent by Mohini. After that, find the money left with her. Solution is money spent on CD is equal to rupees 125. Money spent on ice cream is equal to rupees 35 and 50 paise. Total spent is rupees 125 plus rupees 35 and 50 paise. Now calculate the total spent. Adding them, we get rupees 160 and 50 paise. Now Mohini had rupees 400. Total spent is rupees 160 and 50 paise. Money is left with her. Rupees 400 minus rupees 160 and 50 paise. Now we subtract rupees 160 and 50 paise from rupees 400. After subtraction, we get rupees 239 and 50 paise. Answer is rupees 239 and 50 paise is left with her. Now activity 4. Question 1. A calculator costs rupees 415 and 50 paise. Find the cost of 4 calculators. Value of one calculator is given. Find the value of 4 calculators. To find the value of more things, we should multiply. Solution is cost of one calculator is rupees 415 and 50 paise. Cost of 4 calculators is rupees 415 and 50 paise multiplied by 4. Multiply in the normal way, ignoring the dot. Now we multiply. 4 zeros are 0. 4 5s are 20. We write 0 and 2 is carry. 4 5s are 20. 20 plus 2, 22. We write here 2 and 2 is carry. 4 1 ja 4. 4 plus 2, 6. We write here 6. 4 4 ja 16. We write here 16. After multiplication, we get rupees 1662. Answer is rupees 1662 is the cost of 4 calculators. Question 2 and 5 are same as question 1. Question 3. My mother paid rupees 962 for 4 shirts. What is the cost of each shirt? Value of 4 shirts is given. Find the value of one shirt. To find the value of one thing, we should divide. Solution is cost of 4 shirts is rupees 962 and 0 paise. Cost of one shirt is rupees 962 and 0 paise divided by 4. Divide in the normal way, ignoring the dot. Now we divide. 962 divided by 4. 4 2 ja 8. 9 minus 8, we get 1. Take 6. It becomes 16. 4 4 ja 16. 16 minus 16, we get 0. Now take 2. We cannot divide 2 by 4. Put 0 in quotient. Now take 0. It becomes 20. 4 5s are 20. 20 minus 20, 0. Now take 0. We cannot divide, so put 0 in quotient. Put a dot 2 digit from the right in the quotient. After division, we get rupees 240 and 50 paise. Answer is the cost of one shirt is rupees 240 and 50 paise. Question 4, 6 and 7 are same as question 3rd. Do activity 3 and 4 in Fair Notebook. Thank you.